Hi everyone, if your Spectrum mobile SIM card isn't working, we have got you covered. In this video, we will walk you through some easy fixes to get your SIM card up and running smoothly. Let's get started. SIM card activation issues. The SIM card may not be activated properly. Device compatibility. Your device might not be compatible with Spectrum Mobile or may need to be unlocked. If your phone is locked to another carrier, it won't work with Spectrum's services. Network problems. There could be temporary network outages or issue in your area affecting service availability. Improper installation. The SIM card may not be correctly inserted into the device. Account or billing issues. Any outstanding issues with your account, such as unpaid bills or service suspensions, can prevent the SIM card from functioning correctly. Fix 1. Check server status. Make sure have a good network coverage in your area. Go to Spectrum coverage page. The link is given in the description. You can directly go through it. Then click View Map, enter your address and click Search button. See the coverage in your area. Restart your device. Restarting an Android or iOS device can clear its memory, fix minor issues like crashing apps and provide a quick solution to various problems. Restarting on Android device. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Tap on Restart or Reboot. If you don't see this option, you may need to select Power Off and then turn it back on by pressing the power button again. Restarting iOS. Press and hold the volume down button and the slide button simultaneously until the power off sliders appears. Drag the slider to turn off the device. Press and hold the slide button again until you see the Apple logo to turn it back on. Fix 3. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings will erase all network configurations. After resetting, you will need to reconnect to Wi-Fi network and repair Bluetooth devices. For iOS, tap on Settings, go to General, scroll to Transfer or Reset iPhone, then go to Reset, then Reset Network Settings. If prompted, enter your device's passcode. For Android, go to the Settings, then System, then go to Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi Mobile and Bluetooth. Fix 5. Manually update settings. To manually select network settings or iOS and Android devices, follow these steps. For iOS, open Settings, go to Cellular or Mobile Data, then go to Network Selection, turn off Automatic by toggle it off. Wait for available networks to appear, then select your Spectrum network from the list. For Android, open the settings, then go to Network and Internet, then Mobile Network, then go to Advanced and then go to Network Operators. Choose Search Networks to find available networks and select your Spectrum network from the list. Reinsert the SIM. If your device is not recognizing the SIM card, removing and reinserting it can help establish a better connection with the network. Turn off your device completely to prevent any potential damage or data loss. Locate the SIM card tray on your device. Use a SIM ejector tool or a small paper clip to gently push into the small hole next to the tray. The tray will pop out. Carefully remove the SIM card from the tray. Place the SIM card back into the tray, ensuring it is aligned correctly with the notch. Slide the tray back into the device until it clicks into place. Once the SIM card is securely in place, power on your device. Fix 6. Request for SIM replacement. Dial 833-224-6603 to reach Spectrum Mobile Customer Service for assistance with SIM problem. Be ready to share relevant information including your phone model, IMEI number, SIM card number and your account details like name, address or phone number. You can also visit nearby Spectrum retail store for in-person assistance from staff who can help with SIM replacement or device issues. Enter your address and click Check Availability button to get nearby store details. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.